Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and this is going to be yet another makeup tutorial. I'm actually doing these makeup tutorials that I'm uploading right now is actually still part of my Tiff's Summer Lookbook 2019. So if you guys recreate any of the looks that I did from this summer, then I would love to see your recreations. Feel free to recreate them and then use the hashtag Tiff's Summer Lookbook 2019, and I will repost some of my favorites on my Instagram. I was getting kind of cold, so this look today I did yesterday, which of course is the Water Witch. It's called the Water Witch, and all of these looks. Now, of course, first I did the Earthy Witch tutorial. This one is now I'm doing the Water Witch. It's actually based off the 4 elements of the earth and everything like that. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to prime your face or prime your eyes. I am actually, now this is this is left over from what I used from the rose water from Wet n Wild. I actually ran out of it, and there was still a little bit more left in here, so I just added water to it. So but yeah, if you have actual primer, just use that on your eyes. Okay, so I'm going to trying to decide which one I'm going to use. Alright, so we're actually going to take a base, do a base color so that way all the colors can grab onto it. So I'm actually going to be using the Blackheart Interstellar eyeshadow palette for Hot Topic, or from Hot Topic. And I'm going to be taking a shimmery white color, and this is in the shade Sun. And of course, I'm also taking a NYX brush in 12. We're going to take the same brush, and this time we are going, and of course I'm using the same palette as well, and we are actually going to take kind of a dark blue color so we can put it right around the crease, and this one is in the shade Universe. You want to make sure that this dark blue is light enough, just in case because you're gonna be out all day wearing it, and you don't want your blue to look too dark. Next we're going to take a small, kind of like a, I don't know what you want to call this brush. I guess like a eyeshadow or a crease brush, whichever. But this is from Wet n Wild. Yes, I know my brushes are dirty. Don't judge. And I'm gonna be taking a shimmery teal color. This one is in the shade Asteroid. And we're actually gonna apply it right on the outer, about here. Then I'm gonna take the Amplified palette, also from Hot Topic, and I'm gonna be taking the shade. This is gonna be like a shimmery light blue color. This one's in the shade Atomic Turquoise. And I'm going to be taking the same brush that I used before, which was NYX eyeshadow brush in 12. And again, I'm going to be using Atomic Turquoise. And this one will go on the lid. Okay, so this is the look so far. This is what it should look like, I guess. Next, for mascara, I am going to be taking the Avon True Color Super Extend Nourishing Mascara, and this is in the shade Brown Black. You probably can't see it that well, but you know. Alright, and the last thing is, of course, the lips. I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild. This is the lip gloss. This is by Wet n Wild, and it's in this shade Crystal Clear. And of course you want to set all this with a setting spray. This is the completed look, you guys. Like I said, if you guys do any recreations of any of the looks that I did during the summer of 2019, feel free to share it with me. Just use the hashtag TiffSummerLookbook2019, and I will repost some of my favorites on Instagram. All of the looks from the lookbook from this summer will be in the description below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys. See you next time.